Yeah, good morning everyone. This is Siva from Swanbucks Irrigation Design Services. So today we are going to discuss about hunter decoders, and we may know that there are variety of hunter decoders are available in this irrigation industry. So if you have any doubts, yeah, I hope you may have many doubts regarding this, which one to use for which controllers and which do we need to install the grounding for uh, every decoder. So I hope you have this type of questions in your mind, like, okay. So hopefully this session will answer the doubts for your uh, of your every questions. So hope you will enjoy this session. If you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask me anytime. So let's get into the session. So okay, like you may have seen this in the project. Like there are different types of decoders available in hunter industries. Like, okay, there are is the decoders, ICD decoders, dual decoders. Right? So the function of every decoder is almost same, but each decoder is different for each controller. So each decoder should be uh, used with HCC, ICC2 and ProC control. So there are some limitations with each types of decoder. So we need to um, use this for suitable controllers. Okay, so there are three types of decoders available in hunter industry. So one is a decoder, and next one is ICD decoders, and another one is last one dual decoders, right? So first, I am going to discuss about EZ decoders, right? The EZ decoders, it is usually compatible with high CC, ICC2, and ProC controllers. Say sometimes we can use both hybrid, like conventional and decoders irrigation system. Like for some stations we can use irrigation decoder. For some stations we can use conventional decoder. So we can use hybrid decoders, hybrid controllers with these controllers. Like, okay. So, for example, this is a decoder is compatible with only HCC, ICC2, and ProC controllers. So, and E is a DM module where uh, these decoders will be joined. So that is called module. It should be installed in the controllers. So that we can join these decoders to the uh, controllers, and it is also compatible with PCDM. PCDM is for ProC controllers decoder module. We can also connect these EC decoders with the PC module. So we can connect both PCDM and EZDM. So generally EZ comes with only one station decoders. If you see here in these other types of decoders, you can see two station output is available, six station output is available in other decoders, but EZ decoder is only available with one station output. Okay, so we don't need any surge requirement for this is a decoder, because it is pre-assembled there, and we are not running this for a long distance. Okay, so we don't need to install any surge arrestor in between the lines in the in the EZ1 decoder. So in some cases, like high lighting area, so where the lightning is very high, we can use surge arrestor like dual S to the system. We can install it in the at the interval of 1,000 feet. Okay, right? So but generally we don't hunter industries don't recommend surge arresters for these EZ1 decoder. So we also in project we don't need to use any surge arresters or groundings in EZ decoders. But in the case of ICD decoders, you can see it is compatible with only ACC controller. Like, okay, ADM 99 models must be installed in the slot of the ACC controllers. Okay, it comes with the different stations, like one stations, two stations, four stations, six stations output decoders, and sensor decoders also available with the ICC controller. So, but yeah, in this case, we need surge arrestor. We need to install the surge arrestor at the uh, interval of 1,000 feet distance in the two wire path, and at the same time, we need to install at the every end of two wire path. So that we can maintain any if any surges occur in the line, so that we can avoid that. So these surges are really damageable to the these electrical equipments like solenoid valves or decoders. So because whenever it receives a more voltage, it is generally 24 VSC output model. So whenever we receives more than that, obviously this solenoid valves and the decoder controller decoders will be get damaged due to the surges. So we need to eliminate that, so that we are using surge arresters. So we have seen this in our day-to-day life in the transformers, in the post lines. In everything, in every area, we have surge arresters. So to eliminate the surges. So likewise, every decoder systems also needs a surge arresters as well. So in high lightning areas, we need to use this. Otherwise, it will cost us a lot if we don't use the surge arresters. And yeah, I just add a picture how this 6 station output decoder has been installed. So you can see this is two-wire path. From this two-wire path it is connected to the decoder, then from this decoder we can connect this to the 6 different output stations. Okay, so this is the basic. So ICD 600 which contains 6 stations output. And the next one is I am just in the previous slide I just explained that we need to install at the every 1000 feet. So that's how this is the inline surge arrestor. We need to install at the every 1000 feet. This is the symbol of this is the just the visualization of how to install the uh, surge arrestor in between the lines. Like okay, so this is two-wire path. We need to cut this into two, and then install the surge arrestor in between this. And this ground place must be placed perpendicular to this line. Otherwise, it will not be much effective. So I explained the concept behind this in the grounding session as well. If you have any doubts, you can also ask me. And this is the picture of at the end of two-wire path. I explained that we need to install at the every end of the two-wire path. Like so, this is the end of two-wire session. So we just connected this to the surge arresters, and then it is connected to the ground plate or ground rod. You can use anything. So I hope you understand the importance of surge arresters in the highlighting areas. And final thing is dual decoders. It is compatible with iCore controllers. We must install dual 48 output models with to the iCore controllers. It can be extended up to 40 stations. So for 99 stations, we can go with AC station. For 28 stations or the 42 stations, we can go with EZ1. For 48 stations, we can go with dual decoders, which is basically iCore controllers. So it comes with the two stations, one station output only and two stations output only. And at the same time dual. This is the one which we need to install at every 1000 feet distance. So we need to keep that in mind in highlighting areas. We need to install surges, otherwise it will damage the system entirely. As I said earlier, as I said in the previous slide, I have explained to install the 1000 feet distance at the end of each two wire path. So hope you have got some knowledge about the decoder controllers. So generally this topic is suggested by the Mustafa. So he want to clear the teammate that they are confused with the grounding of different decoders. So I am just suggesting you to whenever you are using dual decoders and ICT decoders, you need to install the surge arresters. So whenever you are using EZ1 decoders, we don't need to use surge arresters. So okay, keep that in mind whenever we are designing this irrigation system. So if you have any other doubts regarding this grounding or decoders, you can always ask me. So as of now, thank you. We are Soundbox Irrigation Design Services. Bye bye.